Dr. P here, and we're here with Zach, Dr. Kaplan,
Hey.
and Andre, and Haley, and Lou, and Mr. Mahar. He has not had a bear, but this is the 40 days of bear, and we actually have 2 bears here right now. Different stages. Lou is 4 weeks out from a bear with a medial meniscus repair. She said she came in today, she wasn't smiling, now she's smiling, because Zach worked hard with her. And then Haley's here at almost a year. Zach, tell us what's going on here.
All right, so we got a couple different stages here. So of course you got Haley over here doing deadlifts. She just got off the rower. She's on a much higher level at this time. But today I'm going to give the golden star to Lou because we actually just started to work on some of her gait training. We just started to do an unlocking of the brace. So we can actually, you can come up and show us a bit. We work usually pretty stiff-legged initially, and now at the 4-week mark with a peripheral meniscus repair, we're actually starting to put a little gentle partial weight bearing on it. Show us your new skill if you don't mind, and you can take your time.
4 weeks, you have good quad control, good form, great job.
Not too long, Lou will be doing very similar activities to Haley, and
So you can see your future.
very excited.
It takes time. There's a mental aspect, isn't there? But you're doing great. I'm glad you're smiling.
All right, thank you.